Dear members of the Marie Curie Alumni Association, my name is Mustafa Munishurov. I am currently supporting the European Citizen Science Project on behalf of MCAA. Today, I'm very happy to announce you that the first cluster event of the European Citizen Science Project will be coming up in this July. The focus of this event will be on the role of the citizen science in transforming European universities. Since I know that many of you are interested on this topic, I'm certain that you will find this event worth attending. This event presents a unique opportunity for you to connect with the citizen science community, including large-scale citizen science projects and local citizen science initiatives, but also academics, university staff, early career researchers, citizen science practitioners, and European Commission representatives. You'll have the chance to learn about different citizen science initiatives and their experiences in integrating these activities in universities. You'll also have the opportunity to discuss ideas of incentives needed for effectively integrating citizen science into universities' education and research activities, as well as explore ways for early career researchers to engage in this topic. So mark your calendar for ECS cluster event on July 3rd and ensure you don't miss out on this great event. Thank you very much.